In this tech tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add confetti animation to your page. This is what it looks like. What I'm about to show you is free to use and works with any website platform you might be using, and I'll show you how to set it up at the end of this video. So stick around for 1 minute and I'll show you exactly how it's done. Go to confettipage.com and you can see there is many different styles that you can create. When you're on the site, you're simply going to add your URL, choose the URL. You can customize the colors. You can add up to 6 colors. You can just click on Surprise Me if you want to just let it choose for you. Depending on the page, it might actually pick up the colors as well, so it will grab it from your page. And even once you're here, you can actually customize the colors exactly as you want it. Once done customizing the colors, you're going to customize the animation. You have 3 different options. You can make it pop from the bottom, from the top left, from the top right, from the middle, and so on. You can have 1, 2, or 3 of different directions. You can also create fireworks. We can have few fireworks, some fireworks, or many fireworks. You can also make it rate for short, medium, long time, or infinite. And depending on the size of the page, it's going to keep on falling down. Once you've customized it as you wish, the final step is to click Publish. You will now click on this button, Get Code with Watermark, free forever, unlimited free codes. You will need to check mark those 3 things, make sure you read them. Click on Reveal Free Code and click on Copy Code. Click on this button which says how to install this, and you will see all the tools that confettipage.com integrates with. On my YouTube channel, you're going to see an entire playlist on confettipage.com, and you're going to see tutorials on many different software tools that you can check out to see how to integrate Confetti Page with your platform. Thanks for watching this short demo. Go to confettipage.com and check it out. It's totally free to use. That's the guy who built confettipage.com, by the way. Anyway, go to check it out. confettipage.com. It's totally free. You're going to love it. Thanks. Bye.